Family meal is the most beautiful and unforgettable memories of every Vietnamese. It symbolizes for union and love. It's a time where all family members sit around table, enjoy home-cooked food, and we talk to each other about our days as well as share stories of the past. Meal is served all at once and shared among us. Besides steamed rice, which is the staple, each meal requires a balance between protein, vegetables, and carbs. And every meal should include a soup, a salty braised or fried dish, and some sort of vegetables, either boiled, stir-fried, or pickled. It could be quite a headache if you have to think of this combination for every meal. So in this series, I will introduce you some sample meals that my family have, so you have more ideas what to cook for your lunch or dinner tonight. Every meal will come with a theme, and for today we are cooking a 30-minute vegan family meal.
Helen's recipes.
Today's meals include a 5-color salad with tofu, a sweet and sour zaitan, and sweet leaf bush soup with bông gouge. Let's start off with the frying job, which is the more daunting job. Into the pan, add oil, and we're gonna fry the thinly sliced leek. We're gonna use this to garnish on top of the salad later. And we will use the remaining oil to fry the zaitan, which is our main dish. We will make zaitan in sweet and sour sauce, so it's gonna be really great. But we have to fry this first, so it has a really crunchy and chewy skin. Okay, fry the leek. The Vietnamese vegetarian monks, they don't eat, spring onion, and garlic. It's because they believe that these will excite the senses. So most of the time we will use leek instead of onion. Of course, if you're just eating vegetarian for health purpose, you can use spring onion or onion for this job, or shallot too. Alright, so when it's slightly golden like that, quickly remove before it burns. Set aside to a bowl. Next, we will throw in the zaitan. Zaitan, you can buy it frozen at the Asian store. Here, I just buy at the market. They sold like this, pretty small. In Germany, for example, it's a lot thicker. You can also have zaitan in a can. It's also possible. So it has a really beautiful texture, and it's made from wheat gluten. So it's not for those of you who are on a gluten-free diet. Vietnamese vegetarians, we love the texture, the taste of zaitan, so we use it a lot in vegetarian cooking. Today I just cook for 2 persons, so I'm gonna use about 5 sticks like this, which weighs about 200 grams. Now let's move on to prepare the dry shiitake mushroom for the soup. I have here 7 pieces of dry shiitake mushroom. I soak in warm water for about 15 minutes, and now squeeze out the excess water. And we're gonna thinly slice this. We will season the mushroom with a teaspoon of minced leek, half a teaspoon of mushroom stock powder, and about a teaspoon of soy sauce. Some pepper too. Mix well and set aside for about 10 minutes. When the skin of the zaitan are slightly golden like this, it's good. We can remove and let it rest on the rack to drain off the excess oil. Meanwhile, we will prepare the sauce for this. For the sweet and sour sauce, we will use 2 tablespoons of vinegar. For the sourness, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce or ketchup, 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance out the sourness, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for the salty umami flavor, a tablespoon of chili sauce or sriracha, so it has some kick to it, a teaspoon of mushroom seasoning powder, a tablespoon of vegan oyster sauce, finally a teaspoon of sesame oil. Yeah, look at that, such a delicious sauce. Now the zaitan has cooled down, we will slice them into bite-sized pieces on the diagonal, like that. Throw all of this back to the pan. I already drained out the oil, and we will pour this sauce over. Wow, that looks good. If you don't want to fry the zaitan for healthy reason, that's totally okay. But I find that when you fry it first, it has a more beautiful texture, and it also tastes better. Now we will add in here half a cup of water. Keep this simmer on low heat for about 15 minutes. Okay, that's good. Let's move it over here so we can cook the soup. For the soup, we will cook spongy gout with sweet leaf. This is rau bồ ngọt in Vietnamese. It's really good for you, for the hair. It has a beautiful dark green color, and it tastes really good. So how you prepare this is to, hold on one end of the stem, and you just pull it off like this. See, the leaves can go off very easily. And this is quả mướp. Mướp hương is smell really good. It's a beautiful vegetable and cheap in Vietnam. It's very spongy on the inside. I will cut it and you can see, and that's why it's called spongy gout. These two go really great together. Cut into half moon slices on the diagonal. It's naturally really sweet, and it smells really good when you cook it with the shiitake mushroom or nấm hương in Vietnamese. Into the soup pot, we will add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add some leek for extra aroma. And we're gonna stir fry the shiitake mushroom, which we have seasoned. Smell really good. I have washed the sweet leaves like 3 times, and normally when we cook sweet leaves, my mom would, do like this washing motion. So it will release more beautiful substance. When you slightly bruise the leaf, it will have a more sweeter taste and easier to eat, like softer, Alright, so we will pour water into the mushroom, 1 to 1.5 liters, depending how many people are eating. We bring this back to a boil. We will add in here about half a teaspoon of salt. When the water comes back to a boil, you can add the leaf first. The sponge gout cooks really fast because it's very soft and spongy. So when it's come back to the boil again, you can now add the spongy gout. Alright, beautiful soup. Final seasoning adjustment, a teaspoon of mushroom stock powder, and you can have a taste and add more salt to your liking. And that's it. The soup is finished. Finally, we'll just make the beautiful 5-color salad, and our meal is ready. This is beautiful banana blossom with they have thinly sliced for me and soak in some lime water to prevent it from darkening. You can also get this in some Asian store if you're lucky. So we have green and white. Now come orange from shredded carrot, purple cabbage, and the final golden yellow color is from fried tofu. For garnish, I will make a beautiful cucumber flower. Okay, you twist one end like this and twist outside and go around it and twist outside again. Yep. Use a toothpick to secure it. And today I will share with you my special recipes for the dressing for this salad. For the saltiness, I will use 1 cube of fermented bean curd or chao in Vietnamese. Very bold flavor to the dressing. We will crush it. Alright, and 1 tablespoon of fermented soybean sauce or tương bần, or you can also use tương cự đà. If you don't have these two, you can also just simply add salt, but I love the umami flavor the fermented bean curd and soybean give to our dressing. That's great. And another extra umami kick is with a teaspoon of mushroom stock powder. Okay, for the saltiness, to balance it out, we will add 2 teaspoons of sugar. And for the sourness, we will add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. You can add in here olive oil or sesame oil or peanut oil if you like. For extra kick, let's add in a tablespoon of chili sauce. Yeah, what a beautiful dressing. All right. Look at our dressing, so beautiful, nice and thick. Let's try. Really good. Sesame seeds. The crispy fried leek that we did at the very beginning, it will add a really fragrant smell to our salad. Our simple vegetarian meal is finished. We have so many beautiful colors the salad, 5 colors, and the sweet and sour zaitan, as well as the green soup. To serve the salad, you just drizzle the dressing over and let everybody mix it up together. So good. I hope you enjoyed today's recipes and prepare this for your friends and family. It just takes about half an hour, no more. If you try out these recipes and cook this for your family, don't forget to send me a photo on Instagram with the hashtag HelenRecipes. Also subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button so you won't miss the next episode when it comes out. I will see you there next time. Bye bye.